My name is Vipin Tanwar. I'm the proprietor here at Pacific Poly Industries. We manufacture garden planters and we've been doing this for 15 years now. The first thing that draws me to work with EHA is the philosophy. We are here to build a circular economy. We've been working with plastics for quite a long time now, and with what people understand of plastic, though it is a wonderful material, but I think we should make it better and also help the economy in certain ways, making a circular economy, which the team at EHA helped me understand during our first few interviews together, and that is where we were drawn into the concept, and here we are working together. Because of the company, because we are here talking with them, discussing things. The more you discuss about sustainability and sustainable practices, the more you become aware, the more you try to change your actions, the more you try to improve yourself. So definitely, sure, why not? I mean, we are improving, still learning. Earlier, the products which we made for EHA was just plastic products converted into materials with biocomposites. But now we've started developing products which are specifically going to be designed to work well with biocomposites, to give the product the kind of process that the product requires and the capability. I think it's going to be fantastic from now on. Been a journey. Initially, it was tough. Especially getting my team to agree to run this materials, and because they would have thought it's a waste of time, that we're not getting a final product which is usable. But anyway, we have to start somewhere. So, and now it's become easier because even EHA has grown. Whatever feedback we gave them, they started developing materials which were more suited to our manufacturing process. So it's been easier now, and they know how the process works, how our manufacturing cycle works. So it's quite easy now, I think. When they first came to us, it was for a product which was totally not what we had thought. It was for disposable spoons. That didn't work out, and it took quite a few iterations to get that working. Now then we started thinking of where exactly can we help the environment, products which would help the environment and help the consumer become more aware. So we've converted in that way, and he has helped us with that. So the challenges, I think the challenging part is over. Now begins the part of growth. Converting the planters into products which people would buy, because the general assumption was planters as a category is a price sensitive market. People only buy recycled products. People want to buy products which are cheaper. But here we are giving them a product which will last longer, which is environment friendly. So that change into the consumer's mind also is quite important. We've been able to create that with EHA. The favorite always is the first one, the first planter which rolled out and which they were able to sell online. So I think it was a Deco series. We're happy, and we're still running that product well, and it's just gaining. I think numbers are going to grow with that one. I mean, in life, there are many things you can learn from the company you are around. So they've taught us quite a few things about sustainability and how we should do our bit for the environment. So this year, we're going to have a solar rooftop system installed. So sustainable, yes, in product manufacturing the products, yes, but we also need to be sustainable in our manufacturing processes. So let's see, we're still exploring, and whatever we can do for the environment, every business has to do it. Such are the times. The initial stages were painful, and it was difficult to get my team to work with the new materials. And we also had to change our systems quite a bit to get the right kind of quality into the product. But since then, I think it has been a breeze, and we really enjoyed working here with EHA, trying different materials and exploring different possibilities. We started off working with it was bamboo-based material then. And here now we are working with coffee husk-based material, rice husk-based material. So it will keep growing, I think. It's just a journey. We've just begun. Most important things, we are learning a lot. And we were in an industry which most people would have found is a stagnant industry. You're running the same continuous products. You're not doing much for the environment. People would say that plastics is bad for the environment, though it is not entirely true. But here we're exploring newer opportunities, newer materials, which the future needs. We're quite happy, and that is where EHA has come in and taught us quite a bit. There are quite a few. There's not one which I can think of, but I think there was one where I went into their office the first time, and we had given them some products which were done initially. Those were not saleable, defective products, but the ethos which EHA has, they converted those products into lampshades, and I found that quite amusing when I entered into their office. And I went there again a few years back, and there were certain more products they've upcycled into. Who could have imagined? I mean, that is what their thinking is, and I'm quite happy to be working with EHA.